Žene, mir i sigurnost naziv je regionalne dvodnevne konferencije koju su zajednički organizovali Ured specijalnog predstavnika generalnog sekretara NATO-a i Ured glavnog savjetnika za rodna pitanja i provedbu rezolucije Vijeća sigurnosti UN-a 1325 pri Uredu Evropske unije u Briselu sa ciljem ukazivanja na potrebu jačanja uloge žena u sigurnosnom sektoru. Komandantica NATO štaba Sarajevo, brigadna generalica Marti Bissell, podijelila je sa prisutnima svoja iskustva iz vojnih misija širom svijeta i naglasila opredjeljenost NATO-a i Europske unije za rodnu ravnopravnost i ravnopravno učešće žena u prevenciji sukoba i očuvanju mira.
It was very much an honor to be a part of the Women, Peace and Security Conference here in Sarajevo today. It is important to NATO and NATO headquarters Sarajevo to continue to support the efforts of gender inclusion. It's always nice to see so many people come together and are committed to this process and making conditions better for women, both in terms of conflict resolution and dealing with the sexual violence that's associated with conflict. I am very much encouraged that so many in BIH are committed to improving the conditions for women and girls across not only the country but the region as a whole. And again, I'm honored to be a part of the process.
Women, peace and security is a real priority for us around the world. But I think that Bosnia and Herzegovina is a special place to take forward these discussions because of its history, because of the progress that has been made, and because of the challenges that still lay in front. I'm very pleased that we have so many representatives of civil society here. They have a really important role. We're also bringing together representatives of the armed forces, people from government, and together we think that's a really important discussion to have about the vital contribution that women can make to peace and security, both women and girls, but also men and boys. And we think that it's really important that this is an inclusive discussion, that we are seeing this as a challenge that we're all facing together and working together we can overcome.
Kolika je uloga žena u mirovnim misijama i generalno u izgradnji mira, naročito na Balkanu, i da li su žene dovoljno zastupljene na pozicijama u društvu, samo su neke od tema o kojima se govorilo na konferenciji.